If you are a developer, content creator, or building any kind of AI-powered product right now, you are dealing with the same problem. You need access to multiple AI models, video generation, image generation, audio, language models, and each one lives on a different platform, uses a different API structure, requires a different integration, and bills you separately. You end up maintaining 5 different API keys, 5 different billing accounts, and 5 different documentation sets just to build one product. Crun AI eliminates all of that with a single unified API that connects you to over 100 top AI models across video, image, audio, and text through one key, one integration, and one platform. Let me show you what that actually means in practice, because the scope of what Crun gives you access to is genuinely impressive. On the video side, you have Seedance 2.0, Veo 3.1, Sora 2 Pro, 𝘈𝘋𝘋𝘠'𝘚, Kling 3.0, Runway Gen 4, 𝘈𝘋𝘋𝘋𝘠'𝘚 2.3, and more, all accessible through the same API endpoint. On the image side, you have GP Image 2, Nano Banana 2, 𝘈𝘋𝘋𝘠', Flux 2, Flux Context, Imagen 4, Seedream 5.0 Pro, and more. On the audio side, you have Suno for AI music generation and Qwen 3 TTS for text-to-speech. And on the language model side, you have the full Claude family, GPT 5.5 and 5.6, Gemini 3.1 Pro, and more. Every single one of these through one API, one integration, one dashboard. The pricing is where Crun becomes genuinely compelling for anyone building seriously. You save 30 to 70% compared to accessing these models through their native APIs individually. Pay-as-you-go pricing means you only pay for what you actually use, no monthly subscriptions, no minimum commitments, no wasted spend, and a free tier with credits so you can test the full platform before spending anything. Now let me show you the built-in prompt generator, because this is the feature that makes Crun genuinely useful for content creators and beginners, not just developers. Every model on the Crun platform comes with its own built-in prompt generator. You do not need to know how to write a perfect Seedance 2.0 prompt, or a GPT Image 2 prompt, or a Suno music prompt. You describe what you want in plain language, and the built-in prompt generator optimizes it automatically for that specific model. The system understands what parameters each model responds to best and builds the prompt accordingly. For beginners, this removes the entire learning curve around prompt engineering. For experienced users, it saves the iteration time of writing and refining prompts manually. Let me walk you through exactly what the integration looks like for developers, because getting started is genuinely fast. You sign up at Crun AI and generate your API key that takes 30 seconds. Then you go to the models section and select whatever model you need for your current task. The API is fully OpenAI compatible, which means if you are already using OpenAI's API format in your application, you can switch to Crun with a single line of code change. No restructuring your application, no rewriting your integration. Just update the endpoint and your API key, and you have access to the entire Crun model library at a fraction of the cost. The documentation covers Python, JavaScript, and QRL examples for every model. There is an interactive playground where you can test any model directly before writing a single line of code, and real-time usage monitoring and logs, so you always know exactly what your application is consuming and what it is costing. The platform maintains 99% uptime with global infrastructure and smart routing that automatically selects the fastest available endpoint for each request. For production applications where reliability is non-negotiable, that infrastructure backing matters significantly. For content creators, specifically Crun's AI Studio gives you access to AI tools and AI effects directly through the platform interface, no API required. You can use the models visually through the studio for your own content creation workflows, and then switch to the API when you need to integrate those same capabilities into a product or automated workflow. The same account covers both use cases. For SaaS products and enterprise workflows, the value proposition is straightforward. Instead of building and maintaining separate integrations for each AI capability your product needs, you build once against the Crun API and get access to the entire model library. When new models release, and they release constantly in this space, they are added to the Crun platform and available through your existing integration immediately. You are not rebuilding your integration every time the AI landscape shifts. For AI agents and automation, workflows, Crun's unified API means your agent can call video generation, image generation, text generation, and audio generation all from the same API structure infrastructure with the same authentication. Building multimodal AI agents becomes significantly simpler when all the modalities live under one roof. Get your free API key at Crun AI. The link is in the description. Free tier credits are available on sign up so you can test any model on the platform before committing to any spend. Start with the interactive playground to see the model outputs before writing any integration code.